Good afternoon. A woman who ran barefoot from her burning home this morning is trying to pick up the pieces of her life. It happened around 8:30 near Judson Road and Independence. Fire officials told KENS 5 reporter Sue Kalberg it's the time of year when everyone needs to be thinking about staying warm safely.
Firefighters say by the time they got here, the fire was so advanced, the smoke was all the way to the floor level, and the flames had eaten their way through the roof.
Single family residents with a working fire.
They say a woman and a dog were able to get out safely on Marigot Run.
We have one turtle and one cat out.
Firefighters say they were able to rescue a cat and a turtle that remained trapped inside.
We're going to be offensive.
The woman ran from the flames barefooted, but neighbors came to her aid with shoes and blankets. Fire investigators say they're leaning toward a cause as combustible items left too close to a space heater. So we talked about that.
It is cold, people are turning on heaters, and of course you don't want to put space heaters close to anything. Maintain 18 inches at least from your space heaters.
And don't walk away from them either.
Yes, don't leave the house with your space heaters on.
Torres says heating a house with burners on the stove is dangerous too.
Any burners that are yellow in color is going to produce more carbon monoxide than a clean blue flame.
At KENS5.com, you'll find a link to the fire department website, FireSafe SA. It has a special page with holiday tips to keep your family safe during these cold days. In Northeast San Antonio, Sue Kalberg, KENS 5.